Hello Manitha users! Today we deployed our updated payment gateway version with the production ready functionality. Merchants who will sign up for this updated version will be able to accept payments with Ethereum in their e-commerce store together with updated trust and reputation system. As a seller, you will be able to use either e-commerce integration we have a Magento and a WooCommerce, or to use our magic buy now button. On a more technical side, like what is included in this update, there are three main things. First one, we significantly improved the security of our e-commerce integrations and the buy now button. We also introduced very first version of smart contracts that handle the deal and merchant wallet. And also we improved the whole deal workflow with a trust and reputation engine, and also we worked to improve the user experience. Here is a short run through of how we improved the flow of the deal processing and what happens when buyers proceed with payment via Manitha's gateway. When you see an item you want to buy, you press checkout with Manitha, wait for QR code to be generated and scan it with your preferred crypto wallet, or just simply copy the displayed address to pay via other means. To do that, you have 15 minutes countdown, and when this is done, wait for the payment status update, and as soon as it is displayed as being confirmed, it means that your payment has been settled and party's reputation will be updated. Now all you have to do is basically wait for the goods to arrive. So this is it for now. This is what is included in this update, and we will continue working hard on future versions of our product and improvements, so stay tuned. Thank you.